Good morning, guys. We are back with another video. Today, it's another day. We are going to do spring cleanups, mulch. Mane, otra vez.
Buenos
Salúdame.
días, señor.
Buenos días a la cámara. Buenos días a toda la plebada y YouTube. Maggie, mija, good morning. Good morning, plebada. Yeah. Hold on, let's go and say hi to all the guys. Pepe, good morning, otra vez.
Good morning.
Saluda a la cámara.
Saludos, cámara.
Saluda. Vamos con Serafín. Saludos, muchachos. Good morning. Buenos días.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. ¿Cómo está el otro? ¿Ya te saluda a ti, mane?
Sí.
¿Ya va? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. And I think who's missing? Oh, Sergio is missing. Sergio, buenos días a la cámara.
Good morning.
Good morning, plebada. Mira, güey. Bueno, dale esta o a Pepe y dile una más. Y dile que la ponga detrás del asiento para que se la lleven ahí, para que echen las banderitas. La otra se va a quedar acá. Yeah, guys, like I say, we are going to do that. So we didn't finish the other day the job, the spring cleanup, because it started raining. So I have to reschedule all the jobs from yesterday for today, and everything for today. I pass it for tomorrow. So yeah, we don't work on Saturdays, but I will. Not me, but the guys, they're gonna work tomorrow. That way they can still have their 8 hours from yesterday. Man, it's chilly out. Oh, my hands are from freezing. Okay, and yeah, so they are going to do a small cleanup and fertilizer, and then while they are doing that, we are going to continue with the mulch. So they're gonna meet us in that house after. So see you guys there. See you there. I went to Russo's yesterday and I get 2 tires for Junior's mower. We were using that mower all year last year, so the mower needs the tires. So I bought those tires, and I bought a case of oil mix, for the gas, and a few flags for the fertilizer, and like a cable for the yeah. Maybe hay que llevarnos una bolsa. Ya, podemos echarla aquí en la ajá, por favor, pero del que está ahí, güey, del viejo.
Sí.
Okay. Ya, el carrito también. Okay, guys. Mija, ¿me das un paro? Tira esto a la basura, porfis. Gracias. Alright, guys, I'm gonna stop the video and see you at the job. Okay, guys, we just got to the job. We're gonna continue doing the mulch. I dropped the guys and the trident, the other truck, and I went with Maggie real quick to get more mulch with the truck 13, because the one we have in the truck 29 isn't gonna be enough. So yeah, like I said, we went to get another 8 jars. So we are here now. So let's go to the time lapse, and then I will just show you when we finish here, guys. Okay, keep watching. Okay, guys, we just finished with this house with the mulch. Let me show you how it looks. Pepe, ¿cómo te está yendo?
Bien.
Good. Mane, ¿cómo te está yendo? ¿Está frío, da?
Ya.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué?
¿Ya la chupé?
¿La cámara? Ya, por favor. Si quieres, así llévatela. No sé si ya la apagué y nomás la pones allá atrás del camión. So.
Este verde.
Entonces todavía está prendida. Déjale prendido, apuchado aquí al de un lado, güey, para apagarla ya. So, take a look, guys. See? Take a look and let me know what are your thoughts. Okay. Okay, ahí nomás. Ya se pagó, güey. Thank you. So, see guys, we just finished. I think we took like, let me check the clock. It is 10, almost 10. It's 9:51. So, see guys, see, we still have snow on the ground. See, here. What was about to tell? Here we clean the downstairs real nice. You know, we sweep with the broom, with the whatever. Still snow there, mulch everywhere. Let me know, guys, in the comments if you like or if we are doing something wrong. I mean, you know, all the tree rings we put mulch. You can see the sun is start getting nice. It's coming out. I mean, I can feel the heat now. So here you can see, guys. See, yeah, I think we took like 3 hours because we start, me, Mane, and Sergio, and then I sent Don Cera, Pepe, and Abraham to another house to do a small spring cleanup. So they finished. They come to us to help us. So we just finished, and we are just putting everything away because we are going to the next house. So yeah, the next house we're going to do. ¿Cómo andas? Bien. We're going to do spring cleanup and power raking. That's it, and it's gonna be fast. I mean, because we are everybody, you know. So we're gonna do it fast. I think maybe 1 hour, hour and a half, and then we are going to the next one because we're going to do spring cleanup, mulch, aeration, I think fertilizer, I think overseeding, and I don't remember if we're going to do power rake. So we're gonna have to check the schedule. Jobber, we switched to Jobber, guys. I don't know if you remember that I told that. So they are not paying me now. Maybe in the future they're going to pay me, and I hope to get a lot of money from them, you know. But we will see, guys. So let's go to the other job. Okay, see you there. Okay, guys, we are at the second house. Like I said, we are in Elmhurst, Illinois, and the houses we have for today, they are real close. So you know, route density. So let me go and put the camera in the back, the one with the time lapse. So I'm gonna put that one, and I'm just going to explain what we're going to do here. Okay. So just let me put the camera somewhere. It's kind of hard, guys, with two cameras. I'm gonna have to hire someone just to help me. Oh my God, I think the camera is sideways. Okay, hold on. I'm going to pause and put it in good, okay? Okay, guys, I'm back. I just put the camera in the right position. Okay. So, as you can see, they're blowing all the garbage from there in this flower bed right here up to the fence. Hold on, guys. Let me switch the display. Okay, up to there. That's the flower bed. Abraham, he's going to do the power rake. Mane and his dad, Serafin, they are doing the blowing, you know, blowing all the leaves and everything. This tree ring, we don't have any flower beds in this side. That flower bed over there, as you can see, it doesn't have too much garbage. Here, a few leaves. This one right here, and all this bunch of leaves. So that is the front. Pepe, he's looking at me like, what are you saying? And Sergio, he's looking at me too like, what are you saying? You know, so let me go to the front just to show you the front, guys. So, levántala, maybe, no. Levántala para que no esté tan abajo, para que no batalles tanto, güey. Yeah, so you can see they start blowing. We don't have too much to do edge in here. Few leaves underneath of this arborvitae. Oh, Sergio, he's doing the power edge in the sidewalk. Pepe, he's going to start mulching everything. So you can see. Yeah, I mean, you see, and this is the front. I mean, we don't have, like I say, too much. It's not too bad, the house. So this is the front, the flower with the front, you know, and the back. I mean, you know, guys, you know what, guys? I don't like to do power rake or aeration, because that machine. I mean, I have that machine like for 3 or 4 years, and I didn't use too much. And every time we use it, it hit the grass and bring out a lot of grass, a lot of dead grass. I mean, I think it's more than normal. So that's why I don't like that. I mean, and I'm planning. I mean, I do it, and I do the aeration too. But the thing is, that machine is, I mean, it's kind of like heavy, and I don't like to walk behind that one. So maybe I'm going to buy the aeration machine, you know, like the stand down from Babcat. I was looking at it last year, so, but I mean, I said maybe I will have to wait because, yeah, a lot of people ask me if I do that, and I say yes, but not like that much, you know. So, okay, guys. So let's go to the time lapse, okay? Okay, guys. It is like about 30 minutes after that we came here. The guys, they almost finished. I mean, everybody, you know. I mean, me and the guys, we almost finished. So I was in the truck with Maggie a little bit, just telling some things, and but I think they finished here in the back. So I'm going to walk around just to put some flyers around. So the guys, they just move the camera, and they leave a mess here in the back because it is real wet. So you will see that in the time lapse. So the time lapse camera is almost dead. It is dying, and this one is going to die a little bit too. I mean, in a little bit. So okay, guys, let me go and put flyers here. You don't want to see me putting flyers, but I'm going to walk maybe one to two streets around. So, okay, guys, see you in a bit. A ver, Pepe. A ver, Pepe, ándale.
No, primero me cotorreo. Men.
All right.
Ahí lo voy a dejar, ahí lo voy a poner. Ahí.
Déjalo ahí. Mira, don Cera, agárrese un rastrillo, me la quiere, porfa. Para la patinada esta que quedó aquí, por favor. Okay, guys, let me see if the microphone turn on. No. It is too much stuff with this YouTube things, you know, guys. I mean, I understand the other YouTubers, landscapers, why they stop recording and upload videos and everything, because once you start getting so busy, it's kind of hard recording and editing, uploading, and you know, working and everything, so that's kind of hard. So okay, let me show you guys. This flower bed is clean. I mean, you will see the lawn kind of like a muddy, you know, but I mean it's kind of wet in this jar. It always is real wet, like you know, like because the water runs all in the back, so that's kind of bad. We try to do the best we can, you know. I mean, it's real squishy, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, guys. It's real squishy. So they did the edge here clean. Few leaves blowing, I mean flying everywhere. They cleaned this flower bed, so a little mud in the concrete, but it's okay. It's going to wash away when it rains. Here a little mud, you know. So yeah, we're finished. We are done. We're moving to the next one. Like I told you guys, this one is like an hour, maybe hour 30 minutes. So here little mud here and there. See the tracks there, here, clean, real nice. Los plebes, they are doing good job. You can see, nice. A little bit of dirt in this one. Just clean it up a little bit. Okay, good. No leaves. They rake here. You can see. So it is ready to start cutting grass, this one. So ya, vámonos ahí a la de la Stratford. No, la otra, la Hampshire. So we're going there. A little bit of dirt in here. So, ¿quién está mirando? ¿Aquel ve? ¿Ya? Alright, vámonos a la que sigue pues. Okay. Alright guys. So we just finished, and see you in the next one. I mean the next house, okay? So, all right, guys, it is almost 11:30, I guess. So we knocked 3 houses already. So now we're going for the 4. So that one is going to be everything, mulch, sprinkling up, and everything. Okay, guys. Maggie, she's working in the office. You can see Maggie in the office working like crazy. Mija, déjame busco esa madre. Okay, guys, see you there. Ok, plebada, ya llegamos a la siguiente casa. Estábamos a 2 minutos. Around the corner. We were like 2 minutes away. So we just hear the guys, they are blowing and they are like crazy. They are all excited, but they are blowing the leaves and they're blowing like crazy everywhere. But I mean, it's real windy today. So guys, let me know what you do when the day is like this. I mean, nothing, right? So I don't think we can do nothing about it. So let me just hold on, okay guys? Okay guys, I'm back. Let me show you. They start blowing. I don't know if you can hear me, guys, but like this is the way how you have to do cleanups, you know, while 1, 2, 3 guys, 4 guys are blowing leaves. The other one has to be in the mower mulching the leaves, so that way the leaves don't blow like crazy everywhere. So I mean, I know everybody works different, but this is how I do it, you know. Pepe, he's trimming the bushes, and Abraham, Don Serafin, and Mane are blowing, and Sergio, he's mulching leaves. So, all right, let me pause the camera, guys, because I have to tell the guys something. Okay, see you soon. Alright guys, I just jumped into the L20A. We are about to finish the cleanup. Well, we took lunch before continue with the video. We finished lunch. Me and Maggie ran to another house just to take a look of the property because they want a landscape job like a patio, pergola, outdoor kitchen, you know, all that kind of stuff, a spring cleanup, mulch. So it is about 5 minutes from here. So we went to that house, take a look and everything, and we are here now. So we're back. Like I say, I just jumped into the machine just to get it ready to start putting mulch. The guys, they finished. I believe they already did the power rake to the front, and they are in the back right now. So I believe, like I said, I believe they almost finished. So I believe we're gonna make it, guys. I didn't think that we're going to make it today, but yeah, we're gonna make it. So let's see. Let's go to the back and see the guys. Just to let you know, the camera is running. I mean, like the time-lapse camera is running. So let's just go and take a look how they're going. I believe they almost finished. Let me show you guys. Saluda, ¿qué habla, güey?
Oh, yeah.
A ti ya no. A ti ya no, a ti ya te saludé mucho, güey. Le asusté, ¿eh?
Patrón, ¿cómo anda? ¿Puro 100?
A 100. ¿Vale? 100. Chingadazo. Yeah, they use picking up, you know, like the garbage, the leaves, mulch, whatever. They almost done. It's like another bag, another can over there, and maybe one right here, and that's it. To start mulching all the flower beds. Yeah, guys, you can see, I don't know which type of bush is this one, but it stopped blooming. I don't know, you can see, guys. That is a sign of the spring. Let's go with Pepe and say what he can see. A ver, Pepe, déjate entrevisto.
¿Ah?
¿Cómo estás?
Al puro 100.
¿Al 100?
Al puro centavo. Sí, güey, ando bien chingado de la gripa.
Agárralo para que te veas como youtuber, güey.
Aquí onda, paisanos, Akira, trabajando. Puro Junior Landscaping. Ya saben.
Puro corazón.
A huevo.
¿Cómo anda, trasera? Saluda a la cámara. Aquí para que se haga famoso, mire. Échale chingadazos, primazos, ¿ah? Yeah, guys. See? Just grass. Yeah. This machine is Junior's machine. He bought it like 3 years ago, and it's been working real good. So yeah, guys, like I say, now they are finishing with the mulch. I mean the mulch, the cleanup. We're gonna get ready to put mulch. So yeah, we have the little wheelbarrow ready to mulch. So I think we're gonna finish by 3:30, maybe. I believe so. So I'm going to check if the ground is not too soft. So maybe I can go with the machine into the lawn. So let's see. You know, like the one in the morning. I mean, yeah, the one in the morning was real soft. So I didn't want to go into the lawn because it was too saggy. So okay, guys, let me try. Let me put the camera somewhere because I have to move the truck. Okay, so let me put the camera. I think, guys, the microphone can reach like up to 100 or 250, feet away. So I believe you can hear me now. So I'm going to move the truck 13. I believe we can make it with this mulch. I'm not sure, but we have a lot of ground cover in that house, so maybe we can make it with the one we have in here. Let me stop talking because I'm going to get far. ¿Qué, bro? ¿Sí estás viendo los videos? ¿Sí estás viendo los videos o no? ¿Ah? Man, ya no quiero hacer nada. ¿Eh? ¿Ya te pareces a un compa? ¿Le echaron fertilizante a la casa? No, te parece. Ok. Mira, lo voy a con la máquina, güey. Si quieres, nomás voy a vaciar eso. Si quieres, lo hacemos un poquito más para adelante. Lo voy a agarrar, mocha en reversa. Pero me voy a poner a lo más cerquitas que podamos, ¿ok? Entonces, la ponen ahí donde estás. Con las agarraderas para que era, Abraham. Así era. Para irnos para atrás primero, ¿ok? No. ¿Eh? Atrás primero, nomás déjame, me voy a tirar esta basura y ahí vengo, ¿ok? Mira, tráete el carrito de fertilizante y una bolsa para empezar a echar aquí, porfis. Okay, guys. The camera is running, but it's in the boom of the F28. So let's go dump this garbage to the other truck, and I hope it doesn't fall. Oh shoot. Charvin William, dice mi papá. My dad says Charvin William instead of saying the bad word. Yeah. the camera is pointed to the sky, so I have to move the camera, guys. No traigo navaja. ¿No había uno abierto? No, ok. Dile a alguien que te la preste, que no tengo la mía. Okay, guys, let me move the camera. All right, guys. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to pause the camera and let's go continue watching the time lapse. Maybe a little later I'm going to record it again. I know one of the guys, the viewers, tell me, hey, why don't you put the camera in your head? I know, but I don't want to do like long videos, guys. I mean, I don't want to bore you, you know, with the same thing every day. So let's pause the camera and continue watching on the time lapse, guys. Okay, keep watching. Thank you. Okay, guys, I just came out of the L20A. I was loading the wheelbarrows for the guys and putting some mulch. This is how they are doing. Okay, so they are there in the tree. I think it's almost there. There. ¿Sí la cierra con eso, no, será? Sí. ¿Sí da? Here. And there, here. Aquí échale un poquito, tú. Aquí nomás ya no mucho. Nomás donde se ve la tierra es todo. And they almost finished in the back. So we put the fertilizer. We did the power rake. And then we put the fertilizer. So here in the back is almost done. Maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And it's almost done. So let me show you in the front. I have to leave it, guys. I mean, I don't want to record the end, but just have in mind how it's going to look. So we put here, this area, that tree ring over there. This one is missing, but they're going to put mulching here. Pepe is putting mulch in this area. We are here right now, so we just have to do this part right here. And all the way to the back, but this side not too much, okay? Because the customers always says don't put too much in that area, because I mean nobody see it, you know. So let me go with the guys to say hi. I mean to say bye, and I have to leave because I have something to do. Bye, güey. Bye. Sí alcanza. Ya no más con lo que tienen allá.
Como no vayas a la tierra troca, porque traigo mis llaves para cuando llegue la saque.
Ya está bien. Ya de aquel lado de la casa, échenle ralón. Okay. Sí, ya un poquito, ya nomás aquí enfrente, sí les alcanza, güey. Alright, so let me go with the other guys to say bye. Sergio, bye, ya me voy, güey. Voy a ir a un mandado. See you tomorrow. Oh, hay que trabajar mañana. Ok, hay que trabajar mañana para la misma hora para recuperar el día de ayer. ¿Sale? Yeah, I'm telling them we have to work. I mean, they want to work tomorrow because that way they can, I don't know, how do you say, recover the hours from yesterday, because we didn't work yesterday because of the snow. So, let's go with the guy just to say bye. ¿Ya está? ¿Sí se acabó acá? ¿Bien poquito? No será, bye. Ya me voy yo, voy a ir a un mandado. Ahí estamos en contacto, ¿ok? Gracias. ¿Y Vane se perdió, güey? ¿Se me perdió Vane? Oh, anda ya, ¿verdad? Sí, mañana sí, para recuperar lo de ayer.
¿Verdad? ¿Sale? Mañana hay que trabajar, Abraham. ¿Sí? ¿Sale? Para recuperarlo de ayer. ¿Sale? Thank you. Adiós a la cámara, güey.
Hasta mañana.
Hasta mañana. See you guys. Oh my God. I'm scared. I hear a fucking noise. Like bad. Ok. Otra vez, bye. Sale, güey. Ahí te lo guacho. Alright, guys. That's it for today. I'm going to wrap it up the video here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, share, and everything else. Compartan, suscríbanse, comenten y todo lo demás, guys. So, see you in the next one. Hasta la vista, baby. Oh, falta Mane and Maggie. They're missing to say bye to the camera, okay? To you guys. Hold on. They are there. Okay. Mane, mañana hay que trabajar, güey. ¿Sales? Para recuperarlo de ayer.
Vale, pues.
Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Maggie, bye, mija. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.